Today we're going to be taking a look at the Naenka Lite Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you're new to the channel and you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. These buds retail for $60 and come in a white and black option. According to the website, it features Bluetooth 5.2, but looking on the box, it says Bluetooth 5.0. So I'm not sure if that is an error on the box or on the website. It also has game mode for low latency playback, aptX HD, and IPX5. Now that we're done looking at the features, let's head into the unboxing. In the box, we have the user manual, a USB-C charging cable, and the charging case and buds. The charging case is made of plastic and has a glossy finish. It looks nice, but it's definitely going to show fingerprints. Located on the front, there's an LED battery level indicator light. When it's green, it indicates that the charge is greater than 60%. Blue means your charge is between 30 to 60%. Red indicates that you have under 30% of battery life remaining on the case. And white indicates that your buds are inside the charger charging. On the bottom of the case, there's the USB-C charging port, which is going to be used to charge up the 400 mAh battery that's located in the case. And this battery is going to give you up to 21 hours of additional playtime on your buds. When opening the lid, it's sensitive to motion and closes quickly, which may not be a bad thing as it'll keep the buds secure in the case. With the earbuds, they use 13mm drivers and have 2 microphones on each bud. And in terms of fit, since they don't use silicone tips, it's good to have more of a generic fit, which may be something to consider when purchasing. Located on the stem, this is where you'll find your tap controls, as well as the LED status indicator light. When using the tap controls, anytime they're activated, you'll get an audible sound to let you know that an action's been triggered. Using the touch controls, you'll be able to do things like turn on and off your buds by holding your finger on the control. A double tap on either bud will play or pause whatever you're listening to. Holding your finger on the tap control for 2 seconds will either skip to the next track or go to the previous track, depending on the bud that you're triggering the action on. A single tap on either bud will increase the volume or decrease it. Overall, the touch controls worked really well and usually activated on my first attempt. When it came to the audio playback, I thought the mids and the highs were a little bit muddy and came off sounding flat. The bass wasn't over the top, and I also thought it lacked a little bit of detail. Next, I'm going to be testing out the latency to see how well it performs.
How's it looking, Barley?
We should have about 10 minutes.
Well, that's perfect. We're only one. All systems go. Yeah, you go. Go. Move your asses. Go, go, go. All right, go.
As you can see in here, it does a great job keeping the audio and video in sync. Looking at the battery life, Naenka says you'll get 7 hours of playtime. In my testing, using them at 80% volume, I was able to get 6 hours and 35 minutes of playtime. And once you're ready to charge your buds, you should expect them to be fully charged within an hour and 20 minutes. This is a sample of the microphone on the Naenka Lite Pro. If you're interested in purchasing or learning more about these buds, I'll be dropping all the product links in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.